तेलंगाना के डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस अनुराग शर्मा ने पुलिस की सालाना रिपोर्ट पेश की। प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए उन्होंने बताया कि हर हाल में पुरअमन माहौल के लिए पुलिस की जानिब से इक़दाम किए जा रहे हैं। पुलिस अवाम के करीब होने के लिए भी मुख्तलिफ प्रोग्राम्स मुनक्किद किए गए थे ताकि अवाम और पुलिस के दरमियान एतमाद पैदा हो। जराइम में पिछले साल से इस साल कुछ इजाफा भी हुआ है। DGP ने पुलिस की डायरी का भी रस्म इजरा किया। इस मौके पर डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस अनुराग शर्मा, हैदराबाद सिटी कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस M महेंदर रेड्डी, साइबराबाद पुलिस कमिश्नर CV आनंद के अलावा और भी पुलिस के आला ओहदेदार मौजूद थे।
Totally registered, and in general the cases have not gone by 57%, as only you are taking only one category. If you see the overall incidence of various cases, see, no, this is under the Act. If you see,
under the Act.
See, there are times when some cases are reported, they are investigated, and sometimes they are not found to be exact cases. So it is only the registration part. How many are actually after investigation found to be corrected and worthy of charge sheet, that is to be seen.
One more question.
Ippudu, we have taken up special drives in Hyderabad and Cyberabad because maximum number of accidents earlier were reported from here. Now, if you see Vikarabad also, once these things have gone up, special vehicles have been provided and highway patrolling has been increased there. So it is, whole thing cannot be tackled at one go. It has to be tackled on priority basis because resources are limited. Once I am sure the vehicles come to us, the total number of vehicles they should procure and deploy. After that, these things will come down considerably. We had alerted everybody, and we are vigilant, and we are ensuring that checking etc. is going on, and all activities are being monitored of known people. But on our own, once an incident happens in a neighboring state, we definitely take action on our own. These are concerned. Definitely, we are trying to sensitize all the schools to be careful and do not let outsiders enter. Our intelligence department and our people also have been sensitized to that, and if there is any threat, they have been told to react. We are also keeping now, as you say, our teams, all the bad elements. Otherwise, also, New Year is a time when all our entire force is put on stand to, and they take care of things. Offences which are very, very bad. So those kind of things have to be tackled at the local level, and because if you register a case and then take it to a logical conclusion, that it takes a long process, whereas in the City Police Act, minor aberrations like keep teasing etc., they can be put in. That is possible.